Again, I need to sort of visualize what is happening over here. And what I notice about this over here, the E function, E looks sort of like this over here. And then when I look at this one over here, I realize that it's only between 0 and 1. But if I were to draw that down, I mean, it looks sort of like this. Again, maybe I'm not doing the best job. Let me go back over that. To the left of a 0 would be below it, but to the right of 0, it's going to go above it. All right, so this curve over here is y equals e to the x, and this curve over here is y equals e to the 2x. All right, now what are they doing? They're going between 0, this thing over here, and 1. All right, so this is the region they're talking about. That's all we're thinking about. So what I'm going to do here is write down the integration. The integration starts at 0, stops at 1. Again, we're doing a representative rectangle over here. What's the rectangle going to be? E to the 2x minus e to the x, upper minus lower. What's the width of that? The differential is dx. All right, so this would be the first milestone for a grader to look for. Did they get the right integration down? All right, now I didn't ask you to graph it, but I think getting a rough graph down might be helpful. All right, what do you do now? You can put the antiderivative down. So it's going to be e to the 2x. Now remember, if you differentiate, you're going to 2 there, so you got to take it away. So put a 2 over here, minus e to the x. Limits of integration go from 0 to 1. Let's write this down now. So we're going to get e squared over 2 minus a, that's upper limit, minus, well, here's what we got. We got 0, so it's good. E to the 0 is 1, so 1/2, and then minus 1, all right? So I do have some trouble here, and the trouble I have over here is that it just doesn't look right to me. So what I want to do is going to get a common denominator of 2. I would get e squared minus 2e minus 1 plus 2. All right? Let me do that arithmetic. Very simple. What do I mean by that? What's simple is simple, which is minus 1 plus 2. And I would say that's a preferred answer over here. Let's look at the answer key, see if we got that. And the answer key is over here with the number. Yep, we got that, and we're good to go. Now also, again, I recommend as you're studying, look how things are written down. Now granted, someone says, well, where's all the arithmetic? You can't write every step down in an answer key, but we can certainly help you with that by talking through it. And we hope it is helpful, by the way. Thank you.